How to place tags down in PractiCAD. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to place a tag down from your tag bin. There are two main ways of doing this: tags that have leaders and tags that don't have leaders. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to place a tag down without a leader. We're going to go into the tag bin and we're going to pick the tag Elevation 0 No Leader. To activate the tag, we're going to click once. Once we do that, PractiCAD is going to ask us in the command line to please select an entity. Then we're just going to simply click on the entity we'd like to use. Now notice that currently the crosshairs of this tag are at the bottom left portion. The second you click on the tag, PractiCAD will depress the tag button inside your item box. And here you can see we have the whole points that we have just like duct. We've got the Z and X. We have the bottom, top, and center on the Z, and we have the left, center, and right on the X. So if we would like to hold this tag by the center right, we can change it, and now we've got the tag held by the center right. If we would like to hold it on the bottom left, we would just change it to the bottom left, and now we can hold the tag by the bottom left. You will also notice that there are parameters you can change on the fly. Here we can change the text style that the tag is following. Currently it is following the text style standard, and there are separate tutorials on text styles. We're following the font, which is governed by the text style in this particular case, but we can change the font on the fly. We can change the font size. We're going to change the way the text is aligned, and we can change what frame the tag has. Currently the tag has no frame. So once we've chosen the hold points and the parameters, now what we're going to do is go to the drawing. You'll notice that in the command line it says specify entity displacement or exit. To start the point at which you're going to displace this tag on the drawing, all we need to do is click. Now notice currently that AutoCAD is snapping to the nearest node, and it just happens to be lit. If that object snap is lit at this point, it's going to snap the bottom left corner, the point I'm holding this tag at, to that point. So if you notice that it's highlighting a point you don't want, what we're going to do here is hit F3. And F3 is going to shut the O snaps off. And you'll notice that after I hit F3, O snap is off. Now I can place this anywhere on here that I want. And what we're going to do is we're going to click once to start the placement of the tag. And just like duct, now what's happening is it's asking us for a rotation. We can just simply hold it in the direction using the polar tracking that we want, or we can give it a value like 0 degrees and hit enter. So right now we're going to hit 0 and then hit enter. And when we do that, the tag has now successfully been placed.